When you first turn your computer on, you usually see some text pop up on your screen, or maybe a brand logo before your logo of your current operating system shows up. This initial text or brand logo is usually complemented with a nice beeping sound, especially on desktop computers. This screen is the BIOS doing some tests to make sure that everything works the way it should before booting to your operating system. You usually access the UI of the BIOS by pressing a certain button on your keyboard while the computer is booting up. That BIOS comes before your operating system, which means if you want to change operating systems, or you want to just completely remove all of your operating systems, you can still boot up to the BIOS because it sits on top of everything else. In Android's world, that BIOS thing can be loosely compared to a recovery. Don't think of it as a direct comparison because your phone works in a completely different way than your computer. That recovery can also be accessed by pressing a combination of buttons on your phone while your phone is booting up. It's usually holding the volume down button and power. The recovery can be a good way to recover from a certain problem, preventing you from booting up. It's also a good way for you to switch between operating systems, also known as ROMs in the Android world. A custom recovery is definitely needed in order to switch ROMs, but this gives you a wide variety of options to modify your device. The most popular recovery at the time of recording this video is Team Win Recovery Project, or TWRP, or TWRP, whichever you want to name it. This recovery supports a ton of devices and can be used to flash a ton of custom ROMs and modifications on your device. You can also backup and restore your whole device using its backup feature. You can flash a custom recovery like that after you unlock your bootloader. Wait, what? Bootloader? What's that? Let's talk about that in the upcoming video. See ya!